Now, with crypto as volatile as it is today, it is very nice to see some good news. And this is good news. It says the U.S. drops OpenSea insider trading case. Could 2026 be the NFT comeback year? Now, if you thought meme coins had it hard, imagine being an NFT holder. NFT holders are illiquid. They are down dramatically in price. They have been riddled with disasters, such as this case right here. But finally, they're getting some good news. Now, we're going to be talking about that good news in the video today. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for understanding that AI now runs YouTube, so we got to be as careful as possible. They are allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets, so please do not interpret this video to be anything other than that. It's not a promise, it's not a promotion, it's not a recommendation, guarantee, suggestion of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about the latest crypto news, and this just so happens to be the latest crypto news surrounding NFTs. It says the U.S. government dropped its insider trading case against former OpenSea NFT platform executive Nathaniel Chastain after an appeals court overturned his 2023 convictions for wire fraud and money laundering. It says this case comes amid a multi-year bear cycle for NFTs following their failure to sustain the hype of 2021 into 2022. The combined market cap for NFTs sits at just above $3 billion. Guys, look at this. Down from over $420 billion in April of 2022. That is a 99.5% decline in the overall NFT value. It says, to put it in further context, the most prominent NFT collection, CryptoPunks, has a current floor price of 27 Ethereum, down from 113 Ethereum, with regular trades in the multi-million-dollar range. While this news is unlikely to spark a true NFT rally, it can only be viewed as positive for the space. Given the current poor price conditions, any crumb of good news surrounding OpenSea and the NFT space is welcome. So what was the U.S. government's case against the OpenSea NFT platform about? Nathaniel Chastain worked as a senior executive at the OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace at the time. And prosecutors said that he secretly bought NFTs before OpenSea featured them on its homepage and then sold them after the price jumped. These allegations were the crypto versions of stock market's insider trading, in which someone with insider knowledge buys shares before a company rings the opening bell. In 2022, the U.S. charged him with wire fraud, what became the first NFT insider trading case. A jury convicted him, but in 2025, a federal appeals court reversed the conviction, ruling that the information he used did not constitute property under existing fraud laws. With that ruling in place, prosecutors dropped the case entirely. There will be no retrial, no new charges, and Chastain, OpenSea, and the broader NFT space can move on from the ordeal. Dude, first of all, just imagine, right, being convicted for 2+ years, and then the jury was wrong. that is nuts to me. But I do feel bad for this guy here. But it's a win for the overall industry. Hopefully he can get his life back after 2 years, and you know, no ill will there. But this is big news for the crypto space. This is big news for NFTs. This is big news for regulatory clarity, which is what everybody wants. Now, prices are in the green today, and this is exciting. And this is a great time for at least me to continue accumulating. Now, two of the places that I hold crypto are on centralized exchanges, and I also hold crypto on the blockchain through wallets like Best Wallet. Now, you guys got a link for all of this down in the description below, but one of the most important things I've been doing recently is diversifying, and I've been diversifying into tokens like Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper has actually raised almost $31 million over the last couple of months, and this is phenomenal given that everybody has been afraid out of their minds. $31 million during fearful situations is crazy. Imagine what this token could do during a greedy situation, which is why I'm excited that I've been accumulating. Now, Bitcoin Hyper is building a layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin. So if you're interested in learning how that works, you got a link down in the description below. You can check it out, read all about it for yourself. Basically, you bridge over, you operate on the layer 2, it sends the info back to Bitcoin, and when you're ready to withdraw, you initiate that request, and of course your Bitcoin are sent back to your Bitcoin layer 1 wallet. They've got like 18 plus thousand followers out on their X account, a huge raise, a huge ICO, and could be coming at one of the most opportune moments in the entire cryptocurrency space. So let me know what you guys are interested in down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.